Hey everyone, so this is my 1978 KZ400, and I've been having some issues with it having a chronically dead battery. So today we're going to take a look at what's causing that, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is, so let's get into it. So first thing I want to do is pull the side cover off here. Okay. So what we got in here is our regulator slash rectifier right here. So I'm going to do some testing on this and see if it's burned out, which I'm pretty sure it is. So I got here the manual for this bike, and it says if you're going to be testing the regulator slash rectifier on this model, which is a Model B, disconnect the electrical connector containing 3 wires, 2 yellow and 1 black, and then use an ohm meter set at resistance times 1 and measure the resistance between each yellow lead and the black one. So you're going to be attaching the positive of the ohm meter to the yellow leads and the negative on the ohm meter to the black one. And it says here the value should be less than 20 ohms. And skipping ahead here, it says if it's too high or too low, the regulator slash rectifier must be replaced. So let's grab our ohm meter and do that. Okay, so there's my multimeter. Got it set to ohms of resistance, and when I touch the 2 leads together, zeroes out, so we know it's working. Okay, so here are the yellow and black wires they were talking about. So what you want to do is connect your ground wire to the black, and then your red wire from the ohm meter to the yellow, one of the 2 yellows, and measure the resistance, and it should be 20 ohms of resistance. Okay, so I'm going to put the red wire on this yellow wire, and then I'm going to put the black wire on black. And I have a reading of, sorry, I only have 2 hands, so I can't pick up the ohm meter and hold it in front of the camera. But while I have these on here, it is reading OL, which is out of limit, which means that's a lot more than just 20 ohms. It should be just 20 ohms of resistance, which should not be out of limit. Okay, so I'm going to do it the other way now. Put this on, red one on the other yellow wire, this black one on the black wire again, and it's still reading out of limit. And just as a test, I touched them together again, and it did switch to 0 ohms of resistance. So touch it to a random part of the frame here, and I get 0 ohms of resistance about. So this is measuring out of limit resistance when I do that. That's definitely not a good sign. It is a sign that that thing is pooped out. So let's see. The other half of the test is to set it to kiloohms and attach the ohm meter positive to the black lead and the negative to the yellow leads. And their value is supposed to be more than 100 ohms. So red onto the black and black onto either one of the 2 yellows, and test them both. And I almost forgot, I have to set this to kiloohms, which means hit the range button until it's K ohms. There we go, K ohms. Now back to red on the ground and black on the other one. So I get 277 kiloohms, it says there. And then on the other tab, I'm getting 350 or so. So I'm at least getting a reading on that. It's not out of limit when I do it that way. But again, the manual says that if either test is failed, then this is bad and needs to be replaced. So I am going to replace this, and I'm going to see if I can, after that, fire up the bike and see if it charges with the new one in there. Okay, I put my new rectifier on there. Got it plugged in over here. Here's the plug that it came with. The plug that it came with doesn't fit very tightly, so I'm probably going to have to wrap electrical tape around it and then put a few zip ties on there to make sure it doesn't come off. Unfortunately, it doesn't snap into place like the original one did, so That's the best I can probably do for now. I could swap the end of this plug for the end of the other one, and I might end up just doing that, but we'll see. For now, got this set to DC volts, and I charged the battery so that the bike should be able to fire up. There we go. Okay, so I'm getting 13 volts on the battery. I think that's going to do it. It looks like that rectifier works just fine. Looks like I'm getting enough voltage to charge that battery, so I think that's going to do it for now. I'm probably going to switch out the end of that plug, actually, because duct tape or electrical taping it sounds like kind of a crappy way to do it. So I hope you guys will stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see more of this bike soon.